Good morning everyone. How you guys doing? Oh my god, it's all messed up, my trade of 8 guys. Oh no, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. How you guys doing? Hello, good morning, Piotr. Nice to see you here, man. South and Sand. Hello, my friend. Chango Mango, hello. Alex, Jerry, how you doing, my friend? Good morning. Trapped in longs? Let me see, brother. Don't be trapped in longs. Ooh. You're on like a swing trading position, like you always do, like holding overnight long positions. What you're doing, guys? Already, already smashed the like button. Always smash the like. I'm hitting the like right now. What's up, Yanis? How you doing, my friend? You woke up and took longs? 330? Yeah, you're kind of trapped in longs, man. Like it's all a move down in. And you know what I guess? You know what I guess, man? Is that the 50-minute arb? No. Sorry, the 15-minute arb didn't work out. The 1 hour arb worked out. Yeah, the 15-minute arb worked today. Like if you took the inversion of it. Yeah, we went to the third extension of Phipps. We took the first one, we took the second one, and we took the third one. Oh no. Oh no. How will I outline this now, man? Stop doing this. Okay. I guess it's a trend down. I guess it's a trend down. Asia and London just wiped out New York session yesterday. Crazy, man. And it's getting heavy. Oh yeah, look at that. There's some type of news overnight or no? Yeah, the YM is going up. Yeah, the YM is going up. Look at that. Yeah, this been happening a lot this last month or so. The YM is going up. And yes. And NQ is going down. Market's been crazy. Gold and silver dropped big time. Let me see gold. Ooh, maybe this is a sell-off. People taking profit or something. Good morning, James the trader. How you doing, my friend? Angel already coming in, hitting the like button. That's my dude right there. He knows what's up. Yeah, gold's dropping a lot. 4600's already on the way. Yeah, let me block a dude. 1 year. Ban. 7 days. Let me do the mod work right now. Iran sent some peace proposal and Trump declined it. Mm. Yeah, of course, bro. This war is going to resume. You know. Yeah, yeah. You should be trading corn, man. Good morning, Mark. How you doing, my friend? We all should be trading corn, bro. Gotta be careful when trying to short this right now. Gotta be careful. It's 12 a.m. here. I've been watching US 100 since the morning. And you were too afraid to enter shorts? Yeah, brother. Let me see the charts. Yeah, brother. After this movement right here, after making this push down, these two highs and breaking down, I would be probably looking for shorts all the way. You know, there was a little pullback here to try and short. There was this two-legged pullback. Maybe I would take shorts here, get a stop out. Let's see. I would probably mark out this trend line right here and take shorts around here. I would very much take shorts around here. I would probably enter right here for this like 41 415. I would probably get a stop out here. See this movement, this two-legged pullback. See this break. I would probably take shorts here. Take shorts here. Probably here again, to be honest. But I would definitely get stop out here. Taking shorts against this 21 EMA. Like right now, did the same thing. But I was just entering the live stream. But like it broke this low, new low, retested the 9. Two candles showing signs of weakness. This one and this one. These two candles showing signs of weakness. It's a type of trade that I try to take. Você que sabe. Se você achar que dá, onde é que você vai estacionar? Pyro, what's up, my friend? How you doing? Let me see, Alex. Oil, is that... yeah, bro. Oil broke that 97 level that it was trading off. Oh, brother. Yeah, this is a different market that we're trading right now. Like, oil trading above 97. Like, they try to hammer down. Look at this. Look at the size of this volume right here. The amount of sellers that push price to 97 again, and they just got bought up, and it's prices accepting the 99. It will probably try to push 100. Something's about to happen today, or did happen, you know. Oil is almost at 100. A few times it looked like it want to go up, but eventually it kept going down. Yeah. What's up, Revev? How you doing? XL. Yeah, my mic was off. I was talking to my wife. I'm gonna drive her to work. I'm gonna leave you guys for 30 minutes and I'll be back. So stay tuned, don't go away. And like hit the like for me to come back. We need to get above 150 again. I think ES is kind of still like very much inclined to the downside, man. 7 points, 10 points break even. I'm going to leave this market order right here to see if it gets filled. This limit order, sorry. Oil just stepped. I have to figure out a way to get like the 2 charts on the screen, man. Can I do something like this? Do you guys prefer this? Like I can have oil on the right side. Let me see, oil on the right side. And then I can have NQ right here. Is that good? Yeah, just squeeze past 100 and it's coming back down. Yeah, but I see a little pullback coming in on oil, man. To be honest, I see a little pullback coming. Bro, my dogs love the balcony. They be beeping on the balcony. Welcome in everyone that's coming in. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna leave you for 30 minutes and I'll be right back. Don't go away. Yeah, probably I'm going to try to short around the 21 EMA to see a rejection out of it. If the market is really trending down, it probably is going to do that, you know? So let me see what happens. I'm going to try to take 30 points with a 15-point stop loss. Yeah, oil is a little bit of exhaustion in this candle, so I'll be careful with a bigger pullback. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Hello, my friends. I'm back. Sorry that it was gone so long. How you guys doing? Yeah, I guess my entry didn't get filled, man. It's riding the 9 EMA. Hello, Fimo. How you doing? Skipper, how you doing, my friend? I don't know if you're still here. Good morning, 13 pennies. Good morning, everyone. Oh, it's falling off, isn't it? Good morning, Mango. How you guys doing? What's up, Fimo? How you doing, my friend? Let's get it, boys. I don't know how we're going to end up today, man. I think that I can do this. Yeah, let's leave it like it is. Dan, how you doing? Big day today? Yeah. Let's see what we have on financial juice. I think we have consumer confidence, but the price action today is looking nice. Yeah, I can activate tick strike. Let's see. One, how you doing, my friend? Greetings from Argentina. You're close, man. Love Argentina, man. Really do. I need to go back to Buenos Aires. Bro, I love Buenos Aires, man. The last time I went, I stayed in Recoleta. How you guys call it? Recoleta? Reversals at 155. Let me see. On MNQ. Why 155? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, there's a clear resistance and a support level at on the 1 hour around 140, 135, man. There's a clear one. In the 1 hour, look at this. It's a clear resistance level that became a support level on the 1 hour. So this 143 area, 142, 140, like all of this region, this zone right here, it's a very important place, I think. Yeah, man, sad that I didn't catch the short. Daniel, how you doing, my friend? Anto James, good morning. Are we finally into bearish trend now? Yeah, we are definitely bearish on the day. It's the end of the daily fair value gap. Okay. Yeah, I'm more interested in this that I just show on the 60 minutes, the 1 hour. You get Juan, Patagonia. You have to know Patagonia. Yeah, man. I want to do a bro. Oil is squeezing. Oil is squeezing for real. Yeah, I want to go to Mendoza. I want to do a car trip, like a road trip for Argentina with friends, you know. That's what I want to do. I can go from where I live, like it's like a 900, let's say 600 miles, 700 miles until I get to Argentina, and then we drive down. But I want to go when it's not like, of course, like when there's snow 100%, but like I've seen that when there's no snow, it's beautiful, man. Like it's beautiful, really beautiful. The lakes and everything. Piotr, 4 weeks going to Italy? Yeah, man. Where in Italy are you going? What you doing that? What you visiting? Yeah, oil is it's ramping up, man. Um, Visiting Milan. You have to catch a game, man. Southern Italy, cheap, the best views and food. Yeah, man. I really want to go there. I think it's the. Let me see. Sardine. It's on southern Italy. This Sicily. No, Sardine is it's a island, isn't it? I don't even know. Ah, it's the end of the season. The old boot. Sardine is it's that island, isn't it? Like a sister-in-law and like brother-in-law went there. Sardine is a fish, yeah, but I don't know how to say Sardinia in English, bro. It's Sardinia, but how do I say Sardinia in English? I don't know. Um, but yeah, southern like Sicily, like the southern part of Italy, it's 100%. It must be beautiful. The point of the boot. Lecce. There's a friend of mine that lives in Turin, the northern part. He says it's cold, man. Very cold. Turin is almost France, you know. It's very close to France. Close to Milan. Rodrigo. Yes, Rodrigo. Yeah. Na descrição da stream tem um link para você entrar no Discord. There's a description to enter the Discord on the. Oh, there's a link on the description of this video to enter the Discord. It's free, and you all are welcome. You can subscribe to the stream as well to keep up to date. You can hit the sign bell for you to get all of the news that comes out with the stream. You can hit the like button to help your brother out over here. For me to be able to keep my job, you know. Like you guys have to understand the like button. To hit the like is how I keep my job, you know. To be here helping you guys. And you guys helping me. I'm not helping you guys much. Like you guys help me more than I help you overall. Brothers, just driving down. How can I enter this trade, man? I won't just like blindly short right now. I won't just blindly short, bro. A body and all of the little towns around. I'm going to search that. These nuts, bro. I'm calling you. It's your full name. I have to remember, bro. Your name is complicated, man. I'm gonna call you this because I won't call you nuts, man, and I won't call you the two names together. I will call you only this, brother. You catch me every time. We can use that foul language over here, bro. Czar Trader, how do you, my friend? Good morning. What a drop. Feel like today going to be a good day. Yeah, price action wise, I hope we go like crazy up and down and sides and backwards and kick flips and everything. That's what I want us to do, you know? Because if we do that, we're going to have opportunity all day. Waiting for a reversal, FEMA, yeah. Let me do that right now. Body Italy. Oh man, looks beautiful. Looks like a beautiful place. Bro, to be honest, Body looks like a Italian version of where I live. Yeah, the sea is beautiful. Yeah, but for real, looks like an Italian version of where I live. Like the image that I just look at least. These other ones doesn't look like, yeah, these other ones we don't have that. Bro, too beautiful this place, yeah. It must be filled with tourists, eh? Like, when's the best time to go? If I go to these places and it's crowded with tourists, it's good. It's not that good though. Low key town, yeah. So let's not advertise much. Matera, yeah, bro. I never heard of all these places. Like Matera and Bari, never heard. Do you think it's worth to take a like to rent a car? It must be worth to rent a car, like to go everywhere. Not recommended because how will I go from one city to the other? How Italians drive. Buses and trains, okay, awesome. Bro, it's falling. Like it's falling like crazy, guys. I don't know what to tell you, but how can I jump in a trade like this? I cut it short at 27 to 20 when you were away from the desk. Where would you move your stop down to? Let me look at this. Then if you short at 220, I would probably trail by bar by bar. I would probably trail by bar. At 174, I will trail my stop, and when this candle closes, and the next one, if it keeps going down, I will push my stop loss to the next high. I would trail like from bar to bar. Let's see if there's buyers on this level. It doesn't seem to have anything special, no financial juice happening. Kiev further increasing oil shortage on global markets and provoking further destabilization in the markets. Like the Kremlin is saying that. The Kremlin saying that, and it kind of matches the time the oil starts spiking. What's BOS, FEMA? I don't know. Another short on the Dow Jones. Nice. You guys are all trading everything. Yeah, there's buyers on 141 or 40. What are my moving averages? Is the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA, man. Bro, I'm gonna get coffee. 1 second. My coffee's ready for a long time. I'll be here. I'll be here, like looking at the chat. Break of structure. Okay. Yeah, that's what I like. Break of structure. I'm going to see if this support level is for real. I'm gonna give it like 15 points. Like don't buy it. Don't buy at this level. Like I'm giving it 15 points, boys. Yeah, it's heavy. It's confirmed it's heavy. Riding the red candle is rewarding. Okay. Oh, this is a break-even strategy. Yeah, let's see. Like the chances of this fully reversing now, it's almost minimal. I forgot that this was the auto break-even strategy, man. Seems like it's sinking today. Yeah, brother. Like, but this drift right here, I think at some point we're going to see a decent pullback. Now I have my coffee at hand, bro. Good morning, beloved. How you doing? Let's have a good day. Welcome everyone that's coming in. We have a bold light goal right here, guys. We have a bold light goal right here. Help me feel that goal, man. Help me get that. And that's why it's just easier to jump with the trend than try to fade the trend, man. That's why it's easier just to like go with the trend than try to fade it. Unnecessary stop right now. Oh. Do you see a gap at 26,975? Let me see. Like what time? What time frame? Yeah, there's I think a daily gap there, or I don't know. 1 minute? No, 1 minute's too far below it. Like it's too far. Like it's days and days and days before. There's a gap on the daily chart, yeah. Yeah, there's a 26,989. Is that daily candle that didn't have a bottom wick? Yeah, that level is important too. 26,990 is the level that 2689. It's the level that had that daily candle that had no wicks to the bottom side. Bro, watch this reversed on my stop loss. Was this drop from news? I actually don't know, man. To be honest, I actually don't know. 26, 8, 989 is the daily chart that had no wicks to the downside. See? It's the daily chart, and this candle didn't have any wicks to the downside, so I think that's an important sweep level. So it's a very possible target. Yeah, so I tried to fade this push down and I got like ran over. Trading during the winter, especially waking up to a cold room. Brother, tell me about it. Like the winter is starting. Like what is before winter? It's the autumn? Autumn? Like it's getting a little bit colder every day that passes here, but like not as cold as like real cold places, but it's very humid and very cold. The fall, yeah, is where the leaves fall. Yeah, the fall and the bro, I lived in a place uh for like 20 years, almost 20 years, that like we basically had one season. Like it's heat and wet, like heat and humid. Like it's basically Florida. It's humid and it's heat every single day of the year, and there's like 3 months out of the year that it rains every day, all day basically, like heavy rainforest. And then I moved to the southern part of Brazil, and here we have like all the 4 seasons, very well defined. So bro, when it starts coming to the fall, and especially like this city that I'm in right now, we lived prior to where we live now, bro. It's cloudy. Like right now it's cloudy all the way. I probably won't see the sun for the next like 4, 5, 6 days. So we'd be without seeing the sun like for weeks and weeks on. So there's nothing worse than for you to not to see the sun, man. Like you look up and it's a mist. It's gray. Your sky is gray for like two weeks straight. Below 20 Fahrenheit. Yeah, 20 Fahrenheit. Below 20 Fahrenheit is 20 Fahrenheit. How much is that, bro? It's minus what? -5? Yeah, now I'm trying to join the shorts out of the blue, like a dummy. Yeah, I'm not trading. I'm not. My mindset right now is not good. I'm going to accept the stop loss, and I'm going to like to rethink my things, because I just jumped on a short that makes not much sense, to be honest. I should have at least waited for this 5-minute candle to close. Let's see if it goes, but I don't think it will. Like I jumped on a short basically because oil is ripping up. Oh man, but I there's this. I'm going to deleverage one, and I'm going to see if it breaks. Oil is ripping up like crazy right now, bro. Look at oil. Do I go for the sweep of this 5-minute low? I deleverage one more. Love Latvia. We lived in the country of Latvia for a time. There were times when it was live more than 20 hours a day. Sleeping was rough. Going to deleverage another one and wait for the sweep. Let's see if it keeps going. Yeah, some for the 20 hours a day is crazy. Can we get another red candle on the 5? Or they're going to smash oil down? Iran news. I try to take another one short for the breakdown. Already the leverage 15 points. Let's see if we get a breakdown. See guys, like to jump on the ongoing trend is so much easier than trying to fade it like I was doing, bro. Like this is like the real proof of that. Even a bad trade is good if you're jumping on the right side of the trend. Trying to get out everything here. I'm not gonna take the 100 bucks. I just made like 255 bucks in this trade, man. So I gotta take it. I gotta take it. Like my goal on all of the accounts is 200 bucks a day for each account. Who won? Where do I live? I live in Florianopolis, man. Floripa. Sorry if I missed your message. You're Argentinians and like the Uruguay people, they all love like to go to Floripa, man. Every year, every like summer, you guys like swarm the place. Welcome everyone that's coming in, guys. Everyone that's coming in, like coming in hot with the like, man. Like we're far away from the goal. Like help me out, and I thank you guys very much. It's just like one single click and you help me out very much. What's wrong with oil? I think it's news. How much profit did I make so far? Like it's here, bro. Over here, it's 105 bucks. I made like 250 bucks on this last trade. Guys, a Saudi Aramco news thing. Now oil's pulling back, and I think maybe MNQ pulls back a little bit too. S&P didn't have the same heaviness, like it's the same movement, but not as heavy. See you tomorrow. Take my profits for the day. Beautiful. Have a good day. One, you know, Floripa is beautiful. Going to spend the holidays with family. Nice. You're going there for spend the holidays. Yeah, it's a nice city. You guys loves like Canas Vieiras, that neighborhood. Why you go for the longs again? I don't see where you put your orders. There's no orders on the charts right now. Is that what you're asking? Like on the charts right now, there's none. Actually, none. Do I go for the longs? Good morning, Killer Sluggy. How you doing, my friend? The hype channel. Look at the 15. Hard time breaking liquidity on the 15 minutes. Look, breaking to the upside or downside, man. You held puts overnight, Killer. Beautiful. You must be in a very green. You must be very green right now. Shemus, how can I know the time to buy or sell? Because sometimes I don't understand English well. Brother, I urge you not to try to follow what I'm doing. I won't help you do that. So how's the saying? This is not financial advice, and you should take decisions on your own. You should make decisions on your own. If you want my help, like understanding charts and whatever you need, I will help you, but I will not call out trades. Okay. Oh, those levels here. Yeah, it's a real consolidation. real range. There's a 0.63 and 0.15 liquidity pool. News in 32 minutes. Okay. For once, this has little to do with the war. Yeah, I believe that too. There's a little bit of a structure to the downside on the 2-minute chart, and I'm going to try to take advantage of it. Let's see. Going to squeeze this. Okay. 15 points. Yeah, killer, like, I'm happy that all of this movement has basically nothing, not nothing, but almost nothing to do with the war. Probably is a red trend day. Will probably bounce hard tomorrow or Thursday with reference. Yeah. Yeah, it's holding hype channel. Yeah, oil is pulling back too, so that kind of it's colding. It's getting the downtrend cold. Marek, oh no man, maybe it's just like people taking profits or deleveraging before tomorrow. Like if you're going to deleverage, today is the day, you know, because tomorrow is it's going to be a huge day filled with you know, uh news and everything. There's too many things tomorrow news wise, and maybe today's the day to deleverage, you know. All these weeks gathering for our next big move. Yeah, let's look at the 5 again. Yeah, oil is almost breaking down that news candle, man. Yeah, today we ran across the two retracement levels. The next one is at 27,000. I'm going to consider 26,989. That's the most important level in my opinion. Like if you were going to measure this movement to the downside, I'd probably be doing something like this. Like this is the movement from here to here. It gave a pullback and it broke to the downside. The breaking point is 27,294, so I'm going to use that as a anchor. The second target is at 2750. The next target is 26,900. It matches almost this order block of the 1 hour right here. Let's find levels. Yeah, it's crazy that just broke down this 134 and 35 level, man. Look how much it respected on the 1 hour. Like it touched this level 4 times, then it broke, retested on the upper side, and run again. Yeah, the trend is getting cold. Like if it breaks down from here again, then it's something crazy. Like usually when it gets low like this, we see a pullback at least to the EMAs, you know? At least to the EMAs. US, good morning. Good morning, my friend. Royal Nubness, hey Leo, thanks for streaming. I understand you don't shout out your trades, but I wish you could explain them and what made you enter. Yeah, I can do that 100%. I will do that in a second for the ones that I took. Penny, good morning. Can you give us some lower targets on NASDAQ? I was like basically just doing that, but like lower targets, let me explain. The ones that I have right now is this wick low right here. This candle right here. This is a daily chart with no wicks to the downside, so that's an important level for a sweep. So it's at 989, 26,989 penny. The next lower target is this order block on the 1 hour right here. That it's a range from 26,880 to 26,855. So that to me is an important target to the downside. After that is obviously the low of this week right here. It's a prominent low. There's a lot of liquidity here to be swapped, to be consumed. So this is a magnet, very big magnet. And it matches this order block right here, basically at the middle of this order block right here. Look at this order block. It matches basically the middle of it. So if you mark out 680, 26,680, like that's a very important price level. So to the downside, I'm looking at those three levels: 989, 867, 880, around that level, and 680 to the downside. You're new? No problem. You can ask how many questions you want, bro. I'll try to answer. We broke through the 15-minute liquidity. Yeah, like broke and swept again. How do I know that there's another block there? Like based on that question, I think we have different we call the same thing order, like we call different things order block. Like the order block that I'm talking about is based on it's kind of based on the ICT concepts order block. You know, it's not the book map order block. Basically, the ICT concept order block is that the body of the last candle of a trend before it reverses. So this push down right here on the 1 hour, let's say from here to here, this push down was a move to the downside. The last body of the last candle of that move was here. So this is the last time that sellers were in control and they got reversed to the upside. So this marks an order block. The same way, let's say this candle right here was the last candle of this uptrend. This whole uptrend, this last big green candle here was the last candle before sellers took control. So you mark out this as an order block. And if you see, like we traded inside that candle many times and got sellers again. You know, it didn't trade, but it didn't broke above half, you know. And there's many types, many ways of considering order blocks more. I basically use this one. Like, let's say this right here can be an order block too, because it's a downtrend inside the uptrend. And you can use this as an order block too. I don't like those types very much, but sometimes they work as everything. Everything works sometimes. Like this candle right here can be counted as an order block, you know? Yeah, no problem, Royal Numbness. Opportunity Connectors, nice to meet you, man. Welcome. It's a pleasure. Yeah, we broke below the news candle on oil. Let's see. Yeah, on a normal day, this setup right here on the 5-minute would be a reversal for me. But like today we are so heavy that I don't know, man. Like this setup right here, sweeping lows, reversing, would be even better if we'd close the body above this high. But on a normal day I would long this, but we are so heavy that I'm not interested. What do I think about gold? Let me see. Yeah, it's a clear downtrend on gold. I would not touch it too long. It's testing the 21. Maybe sees a new leg to the downside here, guys, on gold. Let's see if it rejects the 21 right here and makes like market structure on the 1-minute or the 2-minute to the downside. I will probably take shorts on gold. That's what I would do. I'll be right back, guys. 1 second. Ooh, I'm muted. What's up? Yeah, it's dropping, man. It's dropping like crazy. Look at oil, bro. Look at what is oil doing. I won't get too excited for me not to do some dumb thing, you know? Yeah, it's crazy right now. Like a brick, man. Yeah. Stopped out a lot of people. There was a lot of longs banked on oil. That probably why that big wick came down. You know? Look at this, man. Maybe NQ pushes hard to the downside, bro. Because oil is gonna get bought up again, I think. Oil's probably gonna get bought up again, I think. Yeah, oil's getting bought up. It's probably going to push NQ down. Be careful, guys. This is like, I don't know what's happening, but this is kind of insane. On oil, at least, it's kind of insane. Trump speaking. Yeah, it's too big of a volume to trade right now on this type of candle right now. I don't know if like to take a short here on Q is too aggressive. I think it's a no bueno. I think. Man, I'm getting a tick out of this button right now. Oh my god, it's giving me anxiety. Yeah, it's gonna be like this. I have to figure out after the stream. Is there a live stream, Trump? I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, this was UAE news, brothers. It's not Trump speaking. This is a UAE news that just came out. It's saying that the UAE will leave OPEC and OPEC Plus as May 1. Exit will help the country meet changing demand. That's what's happening. Yeah, it's strange price action that's happening right now. Like it still keeps pushing down NQ. I don't know. I don't know. I don't what you guys think. Uh did you guys took any trades on this movement? I basically did nothing. I'm trading like the index, like the Brazilian index right now. I'm seeing maybe seeing if I can get something out of it. Taking longs every 25 points. How's that working, man? Average the price. I'm trading cash, okay. Good morning, Omar. Long position for a couple of days, okay. Yeah, I don't know what trades can I take right here. Like I don't know if I take longs. Like what do I take a long here? Oh no, Pasha, don't tell me that. You're longing? Short at 27,500? Are you joking? Bro, 27,500 was over here. How? Man, you're basically shorted the like best possible entry ever. Yeah, it happens. If you're not joking, it happens. Okay, when it broke the orb, you took longs. What is this, bro? Oh, bro. If you want to stream a couple of hours for me today, feel free. Actually got screwed tonight with both downside targets. Yeah, man. Like the reverse, I can stay here as long as you want. No problem at all. When you want to jump in, just let me know on the. Yeah, man. I'm okay. Stream. Yeah, I just answered you, Pasha. That's how they get you, yeah, bro. 100%. This is the person. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't. If you're feeling like you're going to revenge trade, it's best like not to trade at all, man. If daily closes under 26,987, it's daily high fair value gap. Only short from there, I think. Yeah, yeah. Right here, I was looking at this 26,987. Yeah, I was looking at this daily chart that has no wicks to the downside. This is my first target. Like this daily candle has no wicks. This is my first target to the downside. Hmm. Oh. Good morning, Rivish. How you doing? Pop 27,335. Let me see. Oh yeah, like yeah. If it goes back to 335, yeah, 100%. I'll probably be taking longs at some point if it's going there. Yeah, but it is a heavy day today. Yeah, guys, let's keep the respect going. Anton Polak, sorry to not read your message. Rubber adding to shorts, nice. Yeah, brother. Like, let's keep up like a line of, like, I don't know, man. Like, there's a line to respect, you know. You can keep like you can all of you guys can give your honest opinions, but let's keep a line of respect. Like, at least when I'm with the power of the button right now. I know that Pasha doesn't like the do not care like about criticism, but you know, there's a line of respect. Yeah, I think a bigger pullback at some point is incoming. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, oil's trading to the downside. Just got the EMA crossed over. Oil is oil is retracing, like for sure, for real. Like this week is in, like it's going to mess up the price action of oil, but that's what it is. Like I have to get I think for my mouse, the battery is running out. 1 second. It's respecting the 3-minute fair value gap. Okay, I'm looking at this order block right here. As a possible level. No, I'm not in shorts, man. I'm not in any trades right now. Yeah, I would recommend like to just wait for market open. That's what I would recommend. Jay, you're in longs before New York, but trailing with the stop. Nice. That's a good way to trade it right now. Guys, I'm going to close the stream and I'm going to open again with the next stream for New York session. I just have to manage a little bit of the OBS right now to change a little bit of things. and I'll be right back. You guys can jump to the next stream on the channel. Thank you again for being part of the London session. Thank you again for giving me company while I try to give you guys company and a little bit of entertainment, a little bit of chart insights. I think I'll take like 10 minutes just to set up the OBS the right way. It's a little bit buggy right now. You guys can jump to the next stream. Thank you everyone that came in. I won't say all the names, but you know who you are. And I'll be right back. I'll just set up the OBS the right way for the next stream, and I'll be right back. Thank you. See you guys on the New York session stream in a little bit.